What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the video. It is Monday, August 1st, 2022, and we are back dealing with this thing. I have decided to just order a master install kit for this thing because I just don't like how that feels at all. And I don't know, just worried. That's how I should have done it to begin with, but I didn't. I probably should have done the same thing with the Dana 30 in the front, but I didn't. It seems to feel, it feels fine. So I think I'm good there. But yeah, I've got to get this thing done. This is kind of crazy how long this has taken, but I guess it's also kind of part of the learning process that goes along with doing gears. So I guess what we're going to go ahead and do now is we'll just go ahead and we'll pull the pinion gear out, get the bearings pulled, and I've got the master overhaul kit coming from East Coast Gear Supply, so hopefully that'll be here. Probably won't be here till probably Wednesday now, so this leaves me just that much further behind. But I guess once we get this pinion pulled out of the back, I can maybe get started on doing the putting the carrier and ring gear in here in the front here in the Dana 30. what's going on. It is Tuesday, August 2nd, 2022, and it's about 9:15 here, and I am wrapping up for the day. Actually have some good things to talk about at this point in time. Actually, I've pretty much got the front axle put back together. Put the ring gear and carrier in today, and actually went in with no problems, no issues. Went in with the old shims. Pattern looked good. I'll probably post some pictures of it here while I'm talking. So that went really well. Kind of back to doing the stuff that I know how to do, which is the simple stuff, putting the brakes and everything back on, putting the steering back on, putting the axles in it and hub bearings in it and all that type of stuff. So waiting on a master install kit for the rear Dana 44. It's coming from East Coast Gear Supply. I'm hoping it'll maybe be here tomorrow, but I'm thinking last time I looked at the tracking, they said it was going to be, or it was looking like it might be Thursday. I'll double check that in the morning and see where we're at. Like I said, hopefully it'll get here tomorrow afternoon, and I can finally put this thing to bed and be done with it. I'm ready to move on to some other stuff, but I'm also really anxious to get back and do another gear install. I've got another LJ that I've had parts for a while, but I've been busy doing some other stuff. I've got the parts for, got an ARB air lockers front and rear, compressor kit, fill kit, 410 gears, all that good stuff. So that'll be another learning experience, but hopefully I got some of the things that weren't necessarily learning experiences. They were just tool acquisitions and procedural and just, knowing how to take one apart and put one back together. And kind of hopefully I got all that, got one done, and I'll do another one here. Like I said, hopefully here within the next month. I've got this blue LJ sitting here that's got some work we're going to do to it, lift kit possibly, wheels and tires possibly, safety inspection, things of that nature. So we'll have that. I've got a XJ out there that I've got to do, take the head off of it and have some head work done, and then put it back together and that, have that to get that done. With my way things go for me, it's probably about a month's worth of work. As crazy as that sounds, but today was a good day. Anxious for tomorrow now for a change. I've been kind of dreading these days. It just seems like everything's been dragging out and taking way too long, and days like that make you feel like an idiot, and I have certainly felt like an idiot here over the last 5 or 6 days. But anyway, so that is going to end this video, and appreciate y'all watching, and see you in the next one.